Last month, I made $29,495 using Pinterest. And no, it's not the old strategies you have seen 100 times. This is a brand new method that almost nobody is talking about. I didn't spend a single dollar on ads. I didn't need thousands of followers, and I didn't even create a website. Just simple pins turning into thousands of dollars every single day. In this video, I reveal exactly how I did it step by step so you can replicate it for yourself. Trust me, you have never seen Pinterest affiliate marketing explained like this before. Just make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions with Pinterest affiliate marketing. I have been doing this business for over 6 years and now, and I'm making over $30,000 per month every single month with affiliate marketing and just by using free traffic. In this video, I'll share with you my method with Pinterest, so make sure to watch the video until the end and let's get started. And this commission, guys, it's paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account, as you can see over here. It's paid. So commissions that you will make this month, it's gonna be paid in the next month. This is how this business works and I will explain more later, okay? So you can see over here, this is my invoice and it's paid, as you can see. $29,495. Okay, anyway, for people who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So you need to join an affiliate marketing program. The best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr affiliate program. So step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Search for this website. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to use your email address to sign up, and that's it. Once you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down and you should see company. If you scroll more, you should see here affiliates. Click on affiliate like this and you will be directly in their affiliate program. You will be in this Fiverr affiliate program website, as you can see over here. So you can scroll down, you can get more info, more idea, and the commission plan and how this affiliate marketing business works. Okay, the best part, guys, with this affiliate marketing business is that they are really paying good commission. It's high commissions, guys. Okay, some commissions can be up to 70% of the first orders, which is crazy, guys. I have never seen an affiliate marketing program that's paying like this commission. If you know any affiliate marketing business that's paying like this up to 70% of the first order, please let me know in the comments. And the best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if a person buy a service from your affiliate link, you will earn good commission for his first order. If this person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr, which makes this business really a profitable affiliate marketing business, and you can turn this into a passive income. Okay, anyway, so if you want to create your affiliate account, you just need to come back to this page and click here on join now like this. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and your password again. Account type, make it private. If you have a company, you can choose this option. If you have Fiverr seller account, you can choose this option. Scroll more. They will ask you a few questions. Super easy. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can say no. Scroll more. Please submit your social media URL. Here, you can put, for example, your Facebook profile link, your Instagram profile link, your YouTube channel link, your Pinterest profile link that you will use to promote Fiverr affiliate services. Okay, so it's clear. Scroll more, go to country and choose your country from here. Search for your country. Click over here and choose your language. Once you finish, put your Telegram account here if you have. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, you should see this will be your dashboard account. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, people who use your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, people who use your affiliate link to buy those services that you will start promoting, okay? And your commissions over here, okay? So it's clear. So what you need to do next is you need to create a business account with Pinterest, okay? So you will go back to Google and you will search for.
This video is sponsored by PRBoost.io, the go-to PR platform for brands that want instant authority, credibility, and media. PR Boost gets you published on Yahoo, Business Insider, Benzinga, and 200+ sites, no PR agency needed. Trust building angle. If you run a website, you need a PR package. Adding as seen on badges builds instant trust and skyrockets conversions. Ease, support, booking, no contracts, no monthly fees. You get fast support and can even book a call with their team to plan your campaign. Social proof rated 4.9 on reviews.io with hundreds of happy clients. Click the link in the description, prboost.io. Get featured, get trusted, get results.
Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. Just use your email address to sign up. They will ask you, do you want to create business account or personal account? Make sure to choose business account because it's better to use business account. Why we use Pinterest? Because Pinterest, guys, has 1 billion monthly visitors. You should know that Pinterest is search engine platform. It's like Google and YouTube. People come to Pinterest, users come to Pinterest to search for services, for products, for info and more. That's why you should start using Pinterest as a beginner to promote your affiliate links here and earn a commission, okay? And guys, please, you should know that you don't need followers, okay? You can start with 0 followers, but because what matters is what you need to focus on is Pinterest SEO. It's all about those pins that people are creating here, okay? And for you, your goal is you need to get and to create good eye-catching pin picture and use a good title, good description, good keyword that will help your Pinterest pins to rank higher on the search results so you can get clicks and make commissions with affiliate marketing, okay? So followers, it doesn't matter if you have 0 followers, 10 followers, or 1,000 followers. It doesn't matter, okay? It's all about Pinterest SEO, and I'll show you how you can do it, okay? So once you finish creating your Pinterest account, what you need to do next is you need to go back to Fiverr, okay? Go back to your Fiverr homepage. So now how you can choose good services that you will start promoting on Pinterest. So you can see here, we have this dashboard on Fiverr. We can see here that we have this option, trending. We have trending services that has high demand, that people are buying right now on Fiverr, okay? Pay close attention. Click on trending. We have the first one, publish your book. We have book design. We have the first one here. So all those services are trending, so meaning that people are buying those services right now, okay? So they have demand, okay? What you will do next is so let's click on the first service, book design. I will click on this one, and here you go. You will find a lot of services here. If I scroll down, you can see, guys, that we have a lot of services from different sellers who provide book design services. What you need to do next for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer is you need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Always choose like top rated sellers, level 2 sellers, and pro sellers. Why? Because people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. They will check the feedback of their customers. That's why you should choose good sellers. If people find that those sellers are good sellers, they will also buy those services from you and you will earn a commission. So for example, I'm going to choose one. Let me choose I think this one is good one, pro seller. Like this one is pro seller, which is really good. They have over 1,000 reviews. Almost 5-star. This service starting from $195. I will click on this service. Just click on the service that you want to use, and here you go. You guys can see the proof. Look at this. I'm sharing with you what's working right now. You see here we have 36 orders in queue, over 2,000 reviews, meaning that people are buying those services right now on Fiverr. You can see here we have people keep coming back, which is really good because this seller, meaning that this seller is providing good service for his customers and his customers are happy with the results, okay? So what you will do next for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you will copy the profile link of this seller, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, to this Fiverr affiliate account dashboard, click on your dashboard over here, you should see dashboard, marketing tools, all marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. What you will do next, you will click here on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate link, guys. This one, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are copying pro sellers, if you are choosing pro sellers services, this will be your affiliate link. This one, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are choosing level 1 or level 2 sellers or top rated sellers, this will be your affiliate link. Fiverr Marketplace new plan. You can copy your affiliate link from here. So for me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Why? Because I do have an old Fiverr affiliate account, because like I said, I have been doing this business for over 6 years now, and I still have this option because I have old Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, I started this business for over 6 years. I know how this business exactly works. Also, guys, I do have an affiliate marketing course for people who are interested to take this business seriously, to get and to start working with me, to get access to all my profitable services, all my social media platforms that I'm using to promote my Fiverr affiliate services, how you can create content, how you can use faceless YouTube videos that you can use to promote those affiliate links. Of course, without showing your face, without using your voice, just by using my advanced methods and strategies inside my course. If you are interested, you want to take this business seriously and start making some serious money with affiliate marketing, feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you and send you all the details you need. Okay, anyway, let's complete our video, guys. So we have created our affiliate link. What we need to do next is we need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so we will go to Pinterest, and what we will do next, we will click here on home feed and we will click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. So what we need to do next is we need to create good eye-catching pin picture. What we will do to create good eye-catching picture, it's super easy now, guys. With the help of AI, it's really super easy. When I started this business, AI doesn't exist. Okay, I was creating those pin pictures for myself. I spent 2-3 hours to create just one pin picture. For you guys now, it's super easy. You just need to use AI. Okay, so what you will do next, you will copy this prompt. Okay, this one, you guys can take screenshots of this one, or you can stop the video and copy this to your phone, this prompt. And what you will do next, you will go to you will go to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and you should see here Sora. Okay, click on Sora and you will be directly in this Sora website. Okay, AI website. Click here, you should see describe image. Click here, paste your prompt like this and click over here. Okay, and Sora will create a good eye-catching pin picture that you can use to promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, I already created it. So if you once you finish, you should see, just click here on my media like this. Okay, click on my media and let me delete this, and you should see your pin pictures created here on Sora. Okay, you see this? That's really a good eye-catching picture. Look at this, guys. Stunning book cover that sell. Your book title, professional book design service, send out on Amazon and beyond. Okay, get your cover now. This one is a good one. I will click on this one like this. Click on this 3 points. Click on download. Okay, this picture will be downloading to your laptop. So what you will do next, you will go to Pinterest. Okay, and you will click over here. And here you go, this is your pin picture that you will use. Open, and here you go. We need a title. We will go to ChatGPT. Okay, we will use ChatGPT and I will ask him create good bait Pinterest pin title for book design service. Okay, and just ask ChatGPT, guys, and here you go. ChatGPT will give you different titles that you can use and that you can test and see which one works good for you. Okay, Okay, I think this is good. I will copy the first one, go to Pinterest, and I will put this title here. I need description. I will go back to ChatGPT and I will ask him create, okay, create a pin description too, and mention that um, I am an affiliate marketer. Okay, and here you go. So guys, this is super important. In your pin descriptions, you should mention that you are an affiliate marketer. Okay, I will click over here and I will get a good pin description, and here you go. You see this? I will copy this description like this, and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to scroll down and you need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, okay, to this one. You remember we copied a pro services, so this will be our affiliate link, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, I will copy my affiliate link from here and go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Okay, just make sure to mention that you are an affiliate marketer. You can see here, as an affiliate marketer, I highly recommend this trusted book design service because it's helped so many. You can see that's it. You just need to tell Pinterest that you are an affiliate marketer, then you will be fine. Okay, and you can promote those affiliate links on Pinterest in a safe way. Okay, I have been doing this method and this strategy for years, guys. For years, I never get any problems with Pinterest. Okay, I will scroll down. Even you can see that this account that I'm sharing with you here, this is not my main account because I'm not focusing on one niche. This account just to show you how you can do it. And I have been putting affiliate links like this for, I think, for over 1 year when I started this YouTube channel, and I never get any problems with Pinterest. Okay, so this is the proof for people who are asking, can you promote affiliate links directly on Pinterest? This is the proof. Okay, scroll down, click on choose a board, and choose, just if you have a new account, click on create a board and just choose one. Okay, just give it a name, and that's it. I'm gonna choose top service, this one. I need tags. I will go back to ChatGPT and I will ask him to give me tags too. Okay, just use AI. Okay, please guys, just use AI. Okay, and you will go far. Put copy and paste and put your keyword here. Okay, self-publishing and more, and put all those keywords here. Okay, so you have the method. What you will do next, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how you can start Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner, and that's how exactly you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. And by the way, guys, for people who want to take this business seriously, guys, this commission that I made, it didn't come from just Pinterest. Yes, I'm using also Pinterest, but I'm also using YouTube, and I'm focusing more on YouTube. If you want to learn more about this affiliate marketing program that's paying really crazy commissions, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will send you all the details. I already have students who are making thousands of dollars per month with this affiliate marketing program using my own personal methods and strategies that I shared with them. Okay? And thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. If you want me to make more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to this channel, comment Pinterest affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing, and I will start making more new videos like this. See you in my next videos.